Hey there, and welcome back to Daily Power Boost. I'm Shawn Michael, and today I want to share a powerful tool for leadership: your language. Whether you're leading a team, inspiring clients, or simply navigating your personal relationships, how you communicate defines how people see you, trust you, and follow your lead. Here's the thing: being a leader isn't just about the words you use, it's about who you're being when you speak. It's about creating clarity, connection, and confidence in every interaction. In today's episode, we'll explore some NLP tools for influencing through language patterns, and some strategies for communication and clarity, and how to embody being a leader in all your conversations. Let's dive in.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in.
Language is more than just words. It's the bridge between intention and impact. Here's how language shapes leadership: it creates clarity, and confusion creates distrust. Clear, intentional language builds confidence and ensures your vision is understood. It also shapes perception. People don't just hear your words, they feel the energy behind them. Being authentic and grounded amplifies your message. Finally, it inspires action. The right words can spark motivation and influence others to take action. Think of a time when someone's words inspired you. Maybe it was a teacher, your mentor, or even a friend. What made their message resonate so much? It wasn't just about what they said, was it? It was how they made you feel. Here are 3 ways that neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP, can elevate your communication. The first is using positive framing. Our brains respond better to positive language. Instead of saying, "Don't make a mistake," try saying, "Let's focus on getting it right." Next is the power of embedded commands. You can embed subtle, actionable phrases in your communication. It might sound like this: when you take the next step, you'll notice how confident you feel. This subtly encourages action and builds belief. Finally, you can use mirroring and matching for connection. People trust those that they feel understand them. By subtly matching someone's tone, energy, or body language, it helps build rapport. Think about a recent conversation where you wanted to inspire or lead, and answer this question for yourself: how could you have reframed your language to create clarity or connection? Now that you have some tools to improve your leadership connection, want to learn how to embody leadership in your communication? You have to lead with intention. Before you speak, ask, what's the purpose of this conversation? What outcome do I want to create? Additionally, you should practice active listening. Leadership isn't just about speaking, it's about truly hearing others. Listening actively shows respect and builds trust. Communicate with confidence. Confidence isn't loud, it's clear, calm, and aligned with your values. Let me guide you through a simple NLP exercise to anchor your leadership identity. I want you to close your eyes and picture a moment when you felt like a strong leader. See what you saw, hear what you heard, feel what you felt. Then you're going to use a simple physical gesture like pushing your thumb and forefinger together when you're feeling at the maximum level of this, and hold it for a few seconds. Then, whenever you need to feel like that, just do the same gesture again. This will allow you to tap into your leadership state anytime you want. Remember, your words have power. When you lead with intention, clarity, and connection, you won't just inspire action, you'll inspire trust and transformation. Here's my challenge for you. In your next conversation, pause and ask yourself, who am I being right now? Am I communicating with clarity and confidence? If today's episode sparked new ideas, please share it with someone who's ready to elevate their own leadership. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Power Boost for more tools to help you thrive. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, leadership starts with language, and that starts with you. Talk to you tomorrow.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fate.